So here I remove the skin from my beets, and I also peeled the carrots. Alright, in Jamaica we say scrape a carrot, but some persons say them peel it. Alright, so I'm using 6 carrots and I'm using 2 beets. Remember, the beets, they are much stronger than the carrots, so you have to use more carrot than beets. So throughout the video I'll be giving you a few health benefits for consuming this punch. So I hope you'll enjoy the recipe, and if you do, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up, and also share the video. And if you try the recipe, comment down below and give me your feedback. Also guys, please subscribe and join the family. I do appreciate the love and support I've been receiving so far. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my old subscribers. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I still thank you for watching. But please consider to subscribe so you can join the family and you'll be updated whenever I post new videos. Alright? So let's get straight into the video. So what I'm doing here, I am just cutting my vegetables. Alright, so there's no particular way in which you cut it. You just want to ensure that they're not too big so that they can blend easily. Alright, so if you have a juicer you can use it, but in Jamaica we just use a blender. So I'm off, so that I'm gonna use. Alright, so I'm just cut them up, put them in my blender, and yeah, I'm gonna blend them. Alright, so for this recipe guys, if you want to make a lot, then you have to double or triple the recipe. Right, but for me, I'm not gonna make a whole lot, so this is enough for me. Right, the fiber present in carrot and beet juice helps improve your digestion. They also remove toxins from the body. Carrots and beets are rich in beta carotene. Alright, so it's very important that you consume them. Carrots are full of benefits. They may promote healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, help with weight management, lower your risk of cancer. They may also regulate your blood sugar levels. It reduces heart disease, improves your immunity, and boosts brain health. So if you consume carrots on a daily basis, or even if you can't afford to consume it on a daily basis, but you do so regularly, then all of these health benefits that were mentioned will be produced, alright, in your body. So you just want to ensure that you try to live a healthy diet, guys. It's not easy, but once you try, then if you try and you see that it's not working, then that's different. But when you don't try, and so let us try to eat more on the healthier side, even now and again, alright? Because I know that I'm not perfect, but I do try. Alright, so here I'm adding some water to the blender after I'm finished cutting up all the carrots and the beets. Alright, so I'm adding enough water to cover, alright, so it can blend easily. Alright, so I'm gonna blend and then I'll return. Alright, so guys, after I finish blending, I'm going to strain. Alright, I'm using a strainer. But what if you were using a juicer? You would have to do this step. Alright, so I'm using a strainer. I also have a bowl, and just gonna use a big spoon to extract all of that juice. Alright, this is healthy. I'm not a person who loves beets and carrot punch, but at the same time guys, it's super healthy. I don't really like the beets because of the smell, but I do force myself to drink it. Alright, so it tastes good, but boy, I not like the smell of beets, and my worst not like the taste. But I just drink for the nourishment. So let's just squeeze all of that juice out. Make sure so we don't waste anything, because our body needs it. Alright, we want to get all of the benefits, all the health benefits. Our body lack anything. Alright, so let's try our best to take good care of our bodies. Because when we're sick, we want to feel it, or when somebody say, oh, I'm sorry for you, or be have compassion on you to say, let me assist you with something, you're the same person feeling everything. So when you can take care of your body, let us do so. So I like to double strain mine just to ensure that none of those particles are left. So that's just me, but you don't necessarily have to do it, right? So now I'm gonna add some condensed milk. So you're gonna sweeten to your taste. But if you love a lot of, love it very sweet, then use as much condensed milk as you like. But if you like it on the, mm, regular taste where it's not too sweet, not too fresh, then do it to your liking. Alright, so guys, normally I add some cinnamon powder. You could also add a nutmeg, but I totally forgot to add the cinnamon powder while I was blending. So I gotta add it, and it was so hard for me to mix it out, guys. So trying to make the mistake that I made. Alright, ensure you blend any powder we are gonna use, any spice we are gonna use. The vanilla, because it's liquid, so you could always add it while you're mixing, but like the powders, like the spices, you have to blend. Alright, so that's the mistake I made, guys. So no problem. My first strain and a strain and a strain. So I added some salt just to balance everything together. If anytime you make something and it has sugar, you want to balance out the flavors with a little salt. Alright, so this is the end product, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and tell us about some of my recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Best upon yourself straight. So guys, even though I'm strained several times, you will see that there's still some cinnamon powder on the top, but each time I go drink it, I just have to go strain it again. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and take care, guys.